Hello students, so we come to 4.3 already. I have solved exercise 4.1 and 4.2 and I have given you introduction to factorization in the very first part. So here I am following ML Agrawal's book, class 9, and we are now into exercise 4.3. So here we have only one formula, which is a square minus b square, difference of two things. It gives you, see this side is plus minus minus, this side as you know from expansion where already I have 4 videos on that, so you can see expansion, and already I have got 2 more videos on rational and irrational number. So if you want to go back and see rational and irrational number, I have put 2 videos, expansion 4, and I think factorization, this is my 3rd video. So please see if you want to clear your concepts. So this formula has come in expansion, which we use in factorization, because this difference of square on left side, right side it gives you a plus b, a minus b, where we get a product. There is something hidden here that is into. So children, factorization, as I told you in the very first part 1 of the video on factorization, where also I have done exercise 4.1, it is changing anything into product. Factorization is reverse of multiplication. You multiply this, you come here, you make it into product, it is factorization. So right side is a factor of left side. One more thing, we have many formulas, plural of formula, formulas or formulae in expansion, but this one is very commonly used because here the left side, the right side is product of left side, and therefore this is a factor. So with this concept, let us start doing all the part 2 sum. Part 2 are difficult, so I'll try to do half of this chapter, has almost 19-20 questions. So I'll solve 9-10 question here, and in my part 4 of the video, that is second part of your exercise 4.3. So if you go by exercise 4.3, this is my first video. So here we go. So everywhere you will see there is a minus coming up, children. So we will write it in form of something plus something into something minus something. So more we will learn while doing. So first one, children, we can write this as 3x whole square minus, so our basic idea will be to make it into whole square. So a square minus b square. So we get a plus b using this identity. Remember, identity is anything which is true for all values. So this is an algebraic identity. Expansion chapter I have used many such identities. So a plus b, a minus b. This question you see, if I take out 2, I will be left with, so here I will use a big bracket. You see book solved example ML Agrawal, they are using a bar bracket, but I am more comfortable with your box bracket and small bracket. See what I do. 2 I take out, 32 becomes 16, 18 2 I take out, it becomes 9. So I have 4x square minus 3y whole square. So if I write this, I get 2, 4x plus 3y, 4x minus 3y. So this 2 I take out, a square minus b square, first thing square minus second thing square, first thing plus second thing, first thing minus second thing. Here we come to little difficult. This chapter you had in class 8 also, but it was difficulty level was less. Here you are in class 9, so slowly as we go, you will see the difficulty level will go on increasing. So what I teach you, children, I take 3 squares, see how we do. You need to practice. This 3 will go inside, and so square I can take common. This you learn from indices. A square b square is ab whole square. Now this 3 I can, using small bracket only, I put it inside. So whole square. Now finally I come 3x first thing square minus second thing square. So this is what I get, 3x plus 3y minus x. So if you see 3x minus x is 4x plus 3y, and here it is 3x minus x, 2x plus 3y. So this is your answer to this. Once more, take out, write 9 as 3 square, put it inside a common square, multiply inside, and then once we get in this format, our basic idea in any question is to come to this. Something square minus something square. First thing plus second thing, first thing plus second thing, first thing minus second thing. Then we x and x are like term, x and x are like term. Here very similar question, children. Make this 3 whole square, but here you see this is very similar to this. So what I do, exactly same procedure I follow, and what you will see is this 2 will go inside, this 2 will go inside and become common. We have 3x whole square minus this is 2y plus 4x whole square. I open the bracket and I take it small bracket because now big brackets use is over. So very important thing, next thing children, is again use of big bracket because there are two terms here. 3x plus 2y plus 4x, no problem. There's no problem here with plus, but main problem will be here 3x minus 2y plus 4x, and here you will see both the sign will change. So I get 3x plus 2y plus 4x plus no problem here 3x minus 2y minus 4x children. Minus, and this also minus. X and x are like term. I get 7x plus 2y, and here I get 3x 4x minus x minus 2y. 3x minus 4y is minus x and minus 2y. Since minus is common, I'll take out minus. This will become x plus 2y, and this I'll write here 7x plus 2y. So once more, very similarly I have come to this. First thing plus second thing, first thing minus. So when there are two term children here, this bracket becomes very important. Book is using bar bracket, but you will be more comfortable with small bracket. Take care of the sign because both will become negative. So this is the most common area where children do make a mistake. So here we come, we take out 2, so we get 16 minus x minus 4 whole square. So this is 4 square minus x minus 4 whole square. So we come to 4, 2 we take out, 16 4x square this. So now we will apply the formula. See, 4 plus x plus 4, 4 minus x minus 4. So if you open the bracket children, you will get 4 plus x minus 4. This will cancel, and we have 4 minus x plus 4. So finally we have 2x 8 minus x. So first I take out 2, then we square it, then again we use bracket because there are two terms, and once you open the bracket, this becomes minus, this becomes plus. And here if you see, when I open bracket children, 4 4 cancel, I get x. Here 4 plus 4 8 minus x. So please pause the video and copy, and again I'll do a few more questions for you. So we come to the question 6. So here what you see, pi and a is common. So here a to the power 4 is left, here pi square is left, and b square. See how I use bracket. Pi a, big bracket, a square square minus pi b whole square. So what do I get? Pi a square plus pi b, a square minus pi b. Once more I take pi and a, which is the HCF. I get something, you see square to the power 4. Cube will never give you something square. Something square minus something square we convert, plus and then minus. Here you see, very nice, a minus b, a plus b. So write it a square minus b square. Okay. Then plus 3 is there. You can do by traditional method also, but I have used the identity, what we are using. So x square minus 4 plus 3, x square minus 1, which is nothing but x square. 1 can be written as 1 square. So our answer is x plus 1, x minus 1. Once more, open it, subtract 3 from 4 and put the sign of the larger. Then this is a plus b, a minus b. Here what we do, children, this first term we do like this. So through practice and doing solved example and unsolved, you will see. So this to a square, I am putting it as from my side like whole square. 2a plus b, 2a minus b. And here I can put 1, 2a plus b. You can always take out 1 common. Very important thing here, children, 1. So this is common, you see. I take out this. Then if I take out this, here 2a minus b is left. This I take out, this comes plus 1, because here I have taken this out. So finally my answer is 2a minus b plus 1. Okay. Now see here, next. Just open it. These two are not common, so I cannot take out common. So let me expand it. Minus minus plus, children. This into this with sign. Minus b square minus minus plus b. Now you pair this with this. A square minus b square minus a plus b. So here a square minus b square minus you take out common. This will become a minus b. Very important thing. I have taken one step extra. Minus common, minus AC opposite, minus minus, it will become plus. So this what it gives, I can put a bracket from my side. A plus b, a minus b, minus a minus b. So like grouping, I take this out, a minus b. I am left with a plus b minus 1. Here if I take out, 1 will be there. So if I take out this, you can write 1 will be there. So this were the basic thing, and the last two, I'll just show you how we apply this formula there. So this question will come, you have to say use formula. You cannot square this minus square this. You will get 0. We will use this formula, what we are using. Okay, a square minus b square, what I have written here. We are using this formula is plural, where we will see later on. So formula to solve this. So this I have explained. Now the last part we have 979 plus 21. 979 minus 21. First thing square minus second thing square. First thing plus second thing, first thing minus second thing. So this the trick is, children, you will get 100,000, something like that. Here you will get 100, here you get 1000. And this, if you subtract from 79, you subtract 21, you will get 958. 79 minus 21 is 58, 9 remains. So simply you put 3 zeros. Simply you put 3 zeros after 958. So fast we did. Nothing. See here, same way. 99.9 plus 0.1. 99.9 minus 0.1. This gives you 100, children. And this will give you 99.8. So when you multiply by 100, it will go 2 decimal place there. So 9980 will be my answer. 1 place, 2 place. So this is all about today's session. Next, I'll show you more harder sum from 10 part 2 onward up to 18 part 2. So please pause and copy and practice. Thank you boys for watching.